drowning in a sea of tabs trying to manage your deals and WhatsApp conversations. Let's bridge the gap and connect WhatsApp directly to Close CRM for streamlined communication. First, navigate to your Close CRM settings. Look for the Integrations section, usually located in the Admin or Account Settings area. Browse the available integrations until you find the WhatsApp option. It might be listed directly or under a section like Messaging or Communication. Now, you'll need to connect your WhatsApp business account. This typically requires a WhatsApp Business API setup. You'll need your phone number, WhatsApp Business Account ID and a system user token. You can find these credentials within your WhatsApp Business Platform dashboard. Look for sections related to API setup or account settings. Enter your phone number, WhatsApp Business Account ID and system user token into the corresponding fields in Close CRM. Make sure each entry is accurate to avoid connection errors. Once connected, you'll see a WhatsApp icon next to your contact's name in Close CRM. Click it to start or continue conversations directly from the contact's profile. Now you can manage all your WhatsApp communication directly within Close CRM, eliminating the need to switch between apps and helping you close deals faster.